The People's Democratic Party has declined to sign the peace accord for the upcoming governorship election. In an unexpected development, the People's Democratic Party has declined to sign the peace accord for the upcoming Edo State governorship election. This development was announced by the former head of state, General Abdulsalami Abubakar, at the signing ceremony in Benin.
The PDP are not going to sign this peace accord.
Governor Godwin Obaseki had hinted at this possibility a day earlier, citing concerns over the treatment of the PDP members by security operatives. The governor accused the police of favoring the All Progressive Congress and arresting PDP members without due process. Despite the PDP's absence, other major parties, including the APC and Labour Party, along with their respective candidates, did sign the peace accord. The agreement, facilitated by the National Peace Committee, aims to promote a free, fair, and peaceful election process. The PDP's refusal to sign has sparked discussions about the potential impact on the electoral atmosphere. While the party's chairman was present at the venue, no official explanation was provided for their decision. This development comes just weeks before the September 21st governorship polls, adding an element of uncertainty to the political landscape in Edo State. Stay tuned for more updates on Edo governorship election at NaijaNews TV.